first, you want to have all the files organized into its own folders. Open your emulator and right-click on the game. Click on Update Directory. This tutorial assumes you already know the basics on how to mod Breath of the Wild. Open the Content folder and open the Pack folder. Find and copy the bootupusn pack file. Paste it in your Mods Pack folder. Open Toolbox program. Drag and drop the bootupusn pack file into the Toolbox program. Open the file while inside Toolbox. Look for the file named Prey. Now find the animal description you wish to modify. In this case, we are looking for the rabbit. This step is not necessary, but it shows you which file to hunt for a future step. Export the Prey file. Save it somewhere easy to find. I had already done this step, so I simply replaced my previous file. Open the MSBT Editor Reloaded program. Drag and drop the file you just exported and saved into the program. Find the rabbit's name and description. Modify them. In this case, I will change the name and description to Pikachu. Make sure you save after each modification. Consider the number of words in the original description. This is important because if you go past that number, it will overlap in-game. Here, I simply copy the description found in a random Pokemon website. Edit the text placement so that the amount of words somewhat matches the original text placement. It's around 7 to 9 words before hitting the Enter key. Be conservative. Save your work and close the program. Everything you just did is saved inside the Prey file. Open up Toolbox again. Find the copied version of the bootupusn pack file. Drag and drop the file into Toolbox. Find the Prey file. Right-click and select Replace Raw Data. Select the Prey file, which you just finished modifying. Here you can see how the new name and description have been changed. The only file needed is the Prey file. Delete everything else, as we don't want to overwrite any of the other animal names or descriptions. Go on, delete it forever. Delete it. Do it. What are you waiting for? Do it now. Hurry up. Just do it. Do you want to finish this tutorial or not? Good job. Now hit save and close the program. This part assumes you already have created your mod and you only wish to update the files with the newly modified files you just created. Open up the Breath of the Wild cross-platform mod loader. Find the mod you wish to update. Click on Update, select the rules file inside your mod folder, and hit Open. This will update the files without having to rebuild and reinstall the mod. Launch the game and check out your new changes. Now you know how to modify names and descriptions. Well done. Oh, shit.